So I'm Thomas Hauser. I'm the Chief Compliance Officer of Siemens Healthcare. Siemens Healthcare is the leading provider for medical imaging and healthcare IT. Solutions like CTs, MRIs, X-rays, ultrasounds. Primarily, the trends in compliance in life sciences means pharmaceuticals and medtech is certainly the influence of the authorities, because public health is public spend, and they try to regulate to reduce the total costs. We, as a supplier of medtech, has to report any kind of transactions which we give to healthcare providers, invitations for business meals, invitations for conferences, any type of sponsoring, donations. Everything have to be reported to the authorities, with a result then that those transactions will be public. If the doctor is not interested to be invited anymore, because a year later it will be on the web and the neighbor knows that he was invited for a nice conference in Hawaii, then certainly the provider, the pharmaceutical or the medtech company does not invite anymore. Therefore, the total costs of the healthcare arena will be at the very end smaller than today. 5-6 years ago, in my airspace, Siemens Healthcare, compliance was indeed a program because we were ramping it up. And now we say compliance is a system. It's the way we do business. And certainly being compliant and being in good standing with local regulations and law has to be part of every's DNA. We actually transfer to our clients with tools like card sets, kind of knowledge in a smartphone format. But even now the card set is available on the iPhone, or on the web we have global maps with all the countries where we have specific regulations that the sales rep who has a client in whatever European country, he can move to the country and he sees immediately the do's and the don'ts of that country. We have currently an ongoing project which is pushed by compliance, that we are ramping up an online grant portal where then actually all those who are interested in free samples can request their needs on a neutral online grant portal, that we can really de-link and separate it from the sales process. This is something a lot of competitors, especially in pharmaceuticals, are using since years. In medtech, it's not so known yet. My challenge is actually based what is today's pharmaceutical world. They have a lot of regulations, code of conducts, new laws, trends also in the pricing where they have to daily suffer. And in medtech, this is the future mode. Therefore, when I talk to compliance officers from Bayer or from Roche, and their today's problem, how they have to interact with HCPs, with their own sales reps, this will be my future in 2-3 years, which I have to face.